Sabi dito, absolute skincare. Yan, o, balikan natin. Ang sabi po dito, stop the time of your skin. Pipigilan niya ang pagtanda ng iyong balat. Mahal o mura? Mura. Ayan. Grabe si Sir SP. Dinig na dinig ko. Diba? It's literally de-aging. Diba? Yan. So, absolute skincare, absolute meaning totally. Total skincare. Okay. So, ano po ba ang mga signs of aging? Diba? This is something that we cannot stop. Kumbaga, it's inevitable. Diba? So, it could be melasma, fine lines surrounding the eye area, also known as crow's feet. Yan, nagtanggal na ng salamin yung iba kasi nag-check. And then, di ba, we have enlarged pores, sagging skin, laylay na ang balat. We have dark spots. Yan. So ito pong mga manifestations na ito of skin aging ay hindi po natin mapipigilan bagkus ito po ay ating mamamanage or we can prevent this. So what does it take to have a beautiful, healthy skin? What makes the skin beautiful? Diba? The answer is the radiance from the vitality of the skin. Ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng vitality? Vitality, ibig sabihin po, ang ating skin, it has adequate nourishment that will ensure skin cell regeneration. If the skin is healthy, then the skin will be radiant and you will be glowing. So what can we do? Diba? Kasi kung hindi healthy choices ang ginagawa natin, everyday healthy food choices, we are constantly being exposed to a lot of factors that affect or increase skin aging, then ang magagawa lamang po natin is what we can control. And that is to develop a proper skincare routine. There are a lot of many products or skincare products out there na sinasabi meron daw silang active ingredients. Of course, Atomy also boasts about effective active ingredients. Pero kung dun lang tayo naka-focus, hindi na natin tatawaging absolute. Bagkus ang atin pong mga scientists, they are restless, continuously improving and innovating our products that we can enjoy. And that is the reason kung bakit na ipanganak ang Atomy Absolute Cell Active Skincare Set. This is a result of many years of research on the existing 4 technologies ng ating Skincare 6 set system. Okay, so ito po ay merong science behind it, derma science. So yan po yung ating pag-aaralan this afternoon. So Atomy Absolute Cell Active Skincare Set, this is our de-aging product. Yan po sa mga new members po natin ha. Di ba naririnig po ninyo anti-aging? Pero mas powerful ang de-aging na sa Atomy lang meron. Bakit? Kasi it will stop the clock of your skin. Mas maganda at mas mabilis ang pagka-recover ng ating balat. It will lighten dark spots and melasma, and it will diminish fine lines and yung mga malalalim na wrinkles, kaya niya pang pababawin. Kaya humarap po kayo sa katabi po ninyo at sabihin ninyong may pag-asa pa. Yes, di ba? Okay, so ano ba yung triple crown? Yung katabi parang sigurado ka ba? Diba? May pag-asa pa. It's because if you use the Atomy Cell Active Skincare Set, you are sure that you are using top quality products. Triple Crown is not a joke. This is a big deal, lalo na sa cosmetics industry. This skincare set was awarded or certified NEP, New Excellent Product. Ito po ay ina-award sa mga products that are developed using the newest technology in the nation. So in Korea, the newest technology, yan po ang ginamit sa ating Absolute Cell Active Set. It was also certified and awarded the IR52 Jang Yong-shil Award. Sino ba si Jang Yong-shil? It's a great scientist and inventor. IR52, this is innovative research, 52 weeks in 1 year. So one product was awarded every week. So ganyan po kalupit si Atomy Absolute Cell Active. And this award actually motivates yun pong mga research and development na mga R&D departments sa mga companies para talagang merong technologically innovative research sa products. And number 3 is the King Sejong Award, Sejong the Great Award. So ito po, big deal din po ito because this is a patented nanotechnology. And ang mas malupit pa po doon is this is awarded first time in the cosmetics industry. Kaya po, pag ginamit natin ang Absolute Cell Active, talaga pong makikita ninyo ang dramatic and significant changes. Mas lalong gaganda at lalong babata ang ating skin. Ayan. So let's talk about the technologies used in this skincare set. Bakit siya the best? Bakit siya na-awardan ng Triple Crown? So remember, we have an existing 4 technologies in the skincare 6 set, if you can remember that. The first one is the high purification technology, and this technology is thanks to Keri. Ibig sabihin po, ini-eliminate po nito yung mga toxins, unwanted odors, colors, kaya po napakaganda ng pag-extract po ng active ingredients sa ating skincare set. The second one is the fresh herb extraction biotechnology. And this one is thanks to Colmar. Ibig sabihin, yun pong mga ingredients po natin, herbs, plants, and the flowers, they are picked, pinitas, extracted, and processed the same day to ensure freshness. The third one is the fermentation technology because Atomy uses fermented brown rice extract. Ito po ay nakakatulong para sa skin absorption. And the last one is the multi-liquid crystal capsule technology na in-upgrade po yan na multi-capsulation system para po talagang mas maganda yung delivery ng mga active ingredients at pumasok po talaga right where our skin needs it. Yan. So knowing Atomy, hindi siya nakontento dito sa 4 technologies na to, bagkus nagdagdag pa siya ng 2 para dito sa Atomy Absolute Cell Active Set. So ano yung 2 technology na dinagdag niya? Number 1 is the material technology, also known as the Absolute Code. And then the second one is the delivery absolute technology. Okay, so let's first talk about the material technology or the absolute code. Okay, so remember, dito po kasi, gumamit po tayo ng mga gifts from Mother Nature. Doon po sa multi-complex na absolute code, meron po yung 4 na technology. Ang daming technology, di ba? Okay, so the first one is the high purification botanical EGF, wherein yun atin pong mga herbs, plants, and flowers, they are ratioed out to provide us with the optimal skincare effect. And dahil nga po merong EGF, that is epidermal growth factor, this one will stimulate cell growth or cell regeneration. Tandaan po natin, habang nagkakaedad po tayo, we lose that ability. Diba? Hindi po natin yan mapipigilan kasi it's inevitable. But still, because of this high purity EGF, mas nagiging promoted po sa ating skin yung skin cell regeneration. The second technology is the Dormin technology. So you can see that flower, it's a daffodil. So in Dormin technology, this is the secret for stopping the time of the clock of our skin. And then next is the third one. We have the lupin peptide. So this one, it protects the DEJ. So ano naman yung DEJ? So this is the dermal epidermal junction. Ang DEJ po, ito yung junction sa pagitan ng dermis and epidermis, and this is the foundation of skin elasticity. And the last technology is the Yosemite ferment lysate filtrate. So ito naman po, so this skin protective substance ay natuklasan po ng ating mga tireless scientists sa isang puno. Anong puno yon? It's a 100-year-old metasequoia tree na natagpuan nila sa Yosemite National Park sa San Francisco, California. Imaginin po ninyo yun. Hinanap po talaga at natagpuan ito ng ating mga scientists. At ito pong substance na ito na nakita dun sa 100-year-old metasequoia tree, this contains the secret of longevity DNA. Kaya po talagang amazing ang ating Atomy Cell Active Skincare Set. Now, again, itong mga ingredients na to na bumubuo ng ating Absolute Cell Active Coat, this is a gift from wild nature, and if you combine this with our technology, ayan, it will bring us these 3 benefits. The All Might, the brightening, and the lifting. Okay? Ibig sabihin, pagtanggal ng kulubot, pampaputi ng balat, at paglift ng mga saging skin. Ganyan ka-powerful. Now, since we already have the code, the material code, the question is, paano natin ito ma-enjoy? Paano ma-utilize ito ng ating skin, ng ating katawan? Diba? Kasi kahit gaano kamahal yung ginagamit nating creams, diba, or skincare products, kung hindi ito maa-absorb ng iyong skin, diba, it's useless. Ibig sabihin, you're just wasting your money. Pero ayaw ni Atomy ng ganon. Kasi nga absolute. So that's why we have the delivery technology. So in our delivery technology, yun pong absolute code, this one, gumamit sila ng smart encapsulation technology. Para po, it will accurately target skin trouble areas. Yan po nakikita ninyo yung ating absolute code, and then the ligand, didikit po siya kaagad sa skin receptors, and kung saan nangangailangan ng tulong yung ating balat, nandun yung dark spot, nandun yung nasira na yung collagen bridges and collagen matrix, doon siya directly pupunta. Kaya po siya tinawag na smart encapsulation technology. That's how smart the technology na meron sa ating Atomy Cell Active Skincare Set. Ayan. On top of those technologies, kasi nga, si Atomy, pag gumagawa siya ng product, yung benefits na ibinibigay niya sa mga members, siksik-liglig umaapaw. Diba? Going above and beyond. So, ang ating company ay gumamit po ng green tea essential water as the base dito po sa ating skincare set. And ito pong green tea essential water, di ba? It sounds so fancy. Ito po ay naglalaman ng tocopherol, which is a very good and powerful antioxidant, and also the catechin that prevents skin damage. And on top of that, napakabango po ng ating skincare set. It has that voluptuous, mysterious, and calming scent. Di ba? Ang amoy niya ay parang sampagita, di ba? Kaamoy siya ng jasmine, yan. Pero pag tinanong kayo, sabihin niyo tuberose. Yan, para shala, di ba? Yan, so voluptuous, mysterious scent. Di ba? Parang timeless beauty ang makukuha natin. So there are 6 items in the set. So we will talk dito sa bawat isa na ito. And I highly encourage if you use the set na sa sunod-sunod po. Pagkakasunod-sunod ninyo siya i-apply. Di ba? I think this is because of the viscosity of the products para mas ma-maximize natin yung absorption sa ating skin. So, ano yung mga i-a-apply natin? Diba, in the Philippines, it's a little humid. Ngayon, mainit. So, pwede ba yung gapitin sa morning, sa evening? Yes. But yung mga mga thick na creams, you can spare it sa morning, just use it at night. Okay? So, the first one that you should apply is the Absolute Toner. Hindi mo na kailangan ng bulak. Diba? Just pump 2 to 3 times sa palm nyo, and then ipat or itap-tap nyo lang po sa inyong skin. So the Absolute Toner, this one is responsible for the Absolute Code brightening. Ibig sabihin, it can lighten your complexion. And this toner will also prepare your skin for the next product na i-a-apply mo. The second product that you should apply is the Atomy Absolute Ampoule. Okay? This one is the most potent among the set. It contains 30% Absolute Code All Might. So when it comes to malalalim na kulubot, fine wrinkles, and melasma, It has that powerful, de-aging, wrinkle-reducing, and whitening effect. And then we also have the Absolute Serum. Iniisip na nila, okay, so ito lang yung bibilhin ko. Ito lang. Ayan. Also, the ampule is called the Magic Blue Bottle. The third one is the Absolute Serum. So this one is also responsible for the Cold All Might. So this one is responsible for the inner skin elasticity. For outer skin elasticity, it's the Absolute Lotion. Okay? Because it takes care of the water and oil balance in our skin. And then one of the favorites dito sa ating set is the eye complex. Lalo na yung mga may eye bag, eye maleta, 'di ba? Kasi yung skin natin in the surrounding our eye areas, it's very thin and delicate. Ayan. So, 'di ba? Nakaka-develop tayo ng mga fine lines. Sige, harap kayo sa katabi ninyo, pangitiin ninyo, tapos makikita niyo yung mga linya dito sa gilid. Ayan. So, we cannot, 'di ba? We cannot do anything about it. Talagang lalabas 'yon. Pero magandang gamitin yung eye complex po natin. And what else? Sige, tingnan mo yung katabi mo kung nagsasag na, naglalaylay na yung skin dito sa eye area. So, sabihin mo sa kanila, gamit ka ng Absolute Eye Complex. Yan. And then, the last cream that you would apply is the Nutrition Cream. This one is responsible for lifting. Ayan, sa pag-lift ng ating mga sagging skin, most especially sa ating neck area. So one thing that you should also take care of is your neck and décolletage area kasi nagde-develop tayo ng neck bands. Diba? So ilang linya na ba yan meron dyan? Ayan, so napahawak kayo, no? Yan. So ito po yung makakatulong, the Nutrition Cream. Yan. So these are the Absolute Zone Care for our face. Again, include your neck and your décolletage area. Okay, so bakit po ba tayo nakaka-develop ng mga fine lines? Of course, because of aging and also yung mga facial movements natin, lagi tayong nakasmile, madaldal tayo. So kailangan ba hindi na tayong ngingiti at magsasalita, I am happy? Hindi po, di ba? Kailangan sipagan natin ng pag-i-skincare at paggamit ng Absolute Cell Active. Isa din po sa na-enjoy ko dito sa product na ito, kasi na-mention ko, di ba, I have acne problem, kaya po ako nilapitan ng aking elementary school teacher. Ayan, so I have cystic acne, and what I noticed is, nung gumamit ako ng Absolute Cell Active Skincare Set, nagkaroon ako ng skin purging, so nadagdagan yung pimples ko. Ayan. So, ngayon, pag nakaka-experience tayo ng skin purging, normally, we are leaning towards stopping the product, stopping the usage of the product, di ba? Hala, dumami lalo yung pimples ko. It's my 3rd day of using this product. Ayoko na. Hiyang-hiyangan to. Hindi po yan totoo. Ibig sabihin po, the product is working its wonders. Di ba? It will first take out the gunk in your skin, di ba? Making it worse before making it beautiful or making it better. Okay? So yan po yung skin problem ko before. Pero in a span of siguro mga 2 months, religiously using this product, is talaga pong nag-heal and nag-lighten. Of course, hindi lang ito yung gagamitin ninyong product in Atomy kasi kailangan mo munang mag-cleansing. So you use the evening care set together with the Absolute Cell Active Skincare Set. Worth it naman, di ba, kapag sinisipagan mo. Kasi kung hindi ko po ginawa yan, maybe until now, yan pa rin po ang problem ko. So okay lang po ba? Sipagan na natin ang pag-skincare? Yes. Ayan. So you don't have to worry. Kailangan mo lang i-educate yung members mo. And also yourself, you have to be aware. Diba? Na it's a normal process. You have to trust the process. Yung ibang tao naman, hindi sila nag-i-skin purging. Basta pag start nilang gumamit, bigla na lang silang gumanda. Diba? May kilala ba kayong ganyan? Yan. So, it also happens. But what you should always think and bear in mind is you have to have that confidence in the product. Kasi meron tayong mga certifications and awards. Diba? At isa po dyan, itong Germany Dermatest. This one is 5-star guarantee and labeled excellent. Again, that is by Germany Dermatest. So this Dermatest, it also makes us confident kasi this is tested for the quality and also the efficacy and the tolerance of the product. Ibig sabihin, napaka-safe gamitin ng ating Absolute Cell Active Skincare Set. And of course, it's certified by the Korea Dermatology Research Institute. Ayan. So, kaya po, I encourage everyone to use this product as a set. Not because I'm trying to sell you the product, but because I'm educating you na each item doon sa ating set ay may iba-iba pong tinutulong sa ating skin. So if you want a more beautiful skin, kailangan mag-commit ka at least man lang 1 month. Imposibleng wala kang makitang changes. Okay ba yon, Atomians?